Hello everyone, this is polyester Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the Chanel style jacket. Have a look at the sketch once again. Last time I showed you how to make a pattern for the jacket. I've already pinned it to the fabric. Today I'm going to show you how to cut both the main fabric and the polyester pattern. After that, I'll tack the jacket for the first fitting. I'm going to shoot several more videos about this jacket. I want you to be able to sew the jackets yourselves. Here is the sketch. Here are also the front, the back and the sleeve. First I'll cut the details of the main fabric, and then I'll put the cut details on the piece of polyester pattern and cut the details a bit as well. The details cut of polyester pattern can be overcast. This is why I'll have to make facing details to overcast the jacket. I can start cutting now. I won't add much for the overcast. We'll be working with the sleeves the same way. The jacket will be pretty wide. It won't be close-fitting. I'm cutting the front, the back and the sleeves. I'll cut the collar and the facing after the first fitting. It's very important to be able to cut the details conveniently. There's a camera on the other side of the table, so I can't walk around it. It's not actually convenient for me to work this way. I remind you that I added 3 cm to the center front for the button stand. This extension includes the seam allowance. I don't need to add anything else. The front and the back are ready. I need to cut the sleeve next. The front and the back sides of the sleeves are even. There is no difference in them. This is how the sleeves look like now. There's some fabric left for the facing and the collar. The piece of fabric was 1.5 meters long originally. I can move the cut details aside. Next I'll put a piece of polyester pattern on the table for cutting it. I'm so happy that I finally have a chance to show you how to work with polyester pattern. I think that me buying the magazine with the picture of this amazing jacket in it was inevitable. Some of our customers are waiting for us to make this jacket so that they can have a look at it and decide if they want to order the jackets for themselves. I'm sure that they will. Оля never objects to me sewing new clothes for her. I need to put the center back on the fold for cutting. The technique for working with polyester pattern is very useful. I like showing you something new. It's not easy to cut polyester pattern. You need to be very careful and attentive. The back is ready. I'll cut the front next. I'm not going to tack the polyester pattern to the main fabric for the first fitting. I want Oля to try the jacket on to make sure that it's accurate. Notice that this piece of polyester pattern is pretty thick. Never in my whole life could I imagine that I would be making Chanel jacket doubled with the polyester pattern. What can a picture do to me? The jacket will be very beautiful. I don't need to make a notch in the center sleeve. I'll mark it with a piece of chalk after cutting. I will just need to fold the detail in half to do it. I remind you that the front and the back sides in the sleeves are even. I cut the front, the back and the sleeves. I'll tack the sleeves first. It doesn't really matter which detail to tack first. I'm not going to throw this pattern away. I'm pretty sure that we'll make much more of these jackets. I need to lay the details on the table face up. I need to tack the polyester pattern to the main fabric. I'll tack the edges. I'm not going to stitch the middle parts of the details before the first fitting. I'll show you what to do. When I tack the details, I'll be working with them if it's just one layer of fabric. The fabric I'm working with is very beautiful. I saw some new colors in it when I started working with it. Make small stitches and work slowly. Don't hurry. You need to make one detail of the two ones. Watch what I'm doing very attentively. Just imagine how stylish Ola will be. I haven't seen anyone in such jackets before. I'm sure that many of you will sew such jackets after watching the videos. In the next video, I will show you how to stitch the middle part of these details. This is very important. I'll make a couple of stitches in the center of the details now, for the jacket to fit Ola better at the fitting. I'll tack the second sleeve off the camera. I tacked the polyester pattern to the main fabric in the sleeves. Here they are. I haven't changed anything. I just tacked the polyester pattern to the main fabric. I tacked the front and the back details the same way. I did it just for the fitting. The details in the finished garment will be stitched differently. That's all for today. Next time we'll continue working with this jacket. I'll show you how to tack it, and I'll also show you the first fitting of it. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.